Hello, my fellow mathletes, and welcome back to question number 2 on our 2009 grade 8 Gauss paper. So we're on question 2 here. The value of -10 plus -12 is... Okay, that is, again, very basic arithmetic question, not unlike the first question. And if you've got a calculator, feel free to use it and don't look back. As long as you can plug the numbers into your calculator, you're going to be fine. But just very quickly, what would I do? Well, if I had to write it out by hand, -10 plus -12. Well, plus -12 is just a fancy way of saying minus 12. Actually, to be perfectly honest, minus 12 is a fancy way of saying plus -12. But that's more advanced math theory that you might someday cover in university. All right, -10, and we just work backwards by 12. Or another thing you could do is say, well, both of these have negatives in front of them. You'd say it's negative of 10 plus 12. That's another thing you could do. 10 plus 12, very easy to calculate, 22. So we get -22. I'm not saying this is the only way to do it, but this is certainly one way to do it. And I think that was D. Yes, it was. So there we go. We're starting off with some very, very nice little arithmetic questions. This one here tested, do you actually understand how the negative numbers work? Which is sort of a fundamental math thing moving forward, but still can be shaky for some people at this level, and that's okay. All right, if you find that that's something you have trouble with, that's something that you should seek out questions for and practice and really dive into it. And that finishes up question number 2. I will see you guys for question number 3 in the next video.